Hello everyone, and welcome back to our MySQL Beginner to Pro series. In today's video, we'll learn about table constraints in MySQL, what they are, why we need them, and how to apply them with live examples. So let's get started. Pin. What are table constraints? Constraints are rules applied to table columns to make sure the data inside your database stays accurate and valid. They prevent invalid entries and maintain consistency. Pin. Types of constraints. There are 6 important constraints you need to know: primary key, not null, unique, default, check, and foreign key. Let's see them one by one with practical examples.
Example 1. Primary key. A primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table. No 2 rows can have the same primary key value. Query. Create table students. ID int, primary key, name varchar 50. Output. Table created successfully. Now if you try to insert 2 records with the same ID, it will throw an error.
Example 2. Not null. The not null constraint makes sure that a column cannot have empty or null values. Query. Create table employees. ID int primary key, name varchar 50, not null. Output. Table created successfully. Now if you try to insert a record without a name, it will throw an error. Example error. Insert into employees, ID, values 1. Error. Column name cannot be null.
Example 3. Unique and default. The unique constraint ensures that all values in a column are different, and the default constraint assigns a default value if no value is provided. Query. Create table users, ID int primary key, email varchar 100 unique, status varchar 20 default active. Output. Table created successfully. Insert data example. Insert into users, ID email values 1 pranav@gmail.com. Result. Record inserted successfully and status will automatically be set to active. Check data. Select asterisk from users. Output. ID, email, status. 1, pranav@gmail.com, active.
Example 4. Check. The check constraint makes sure the values meet a condition. Create table products. ID int primary key, price int check price greater than 0. Insert into products values 1, 500. Record inserted successfully. Insert into products values 2, -50. Error. Check constraint products check 1 is violated.
A foreign key creates a relationship between 2 tables. Create parent table. Create table customers, ID int, primary key, name varchar 50. Create child table. Create table orders, order ID int, primary key, customer ID int, foreign key, customer ID, references customers ID. Both tables created successfully. Insert data example. Insert into customers, ID, name, values 1, Pranav. Insert into orders, order ID, customer ID, values 1011. Record inserted successfully. If you try to insert an order with a customer ID that doesn't exist, insert into orders, order ID, customer ID, values 10299. Error. Cannot add or update a child row. A foreign key constraint fails.
If you're preparing for interviews, you can download. And that's it for this video. In the next tutorial, we'll learn about update and delete commands in MySQL with practical examples. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more MySQL tutorials. See you in the next one.